another Boxycharm weekly update. Today I thought it would be fun to talk about BoxyPopUp and what to expect for that, the dates, all of that stuff. So if this sounds like a video for you, I would love it if you guys would hit that thumbs up button and stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because I do, like I said, love to do weekly Boxycharm updates for you guys. And over here, guys, if you're new here, I'm a hot mess, but we just embrace it. It's a judgment-free, drama-free, and stress-free zone. Even though we may have a lot of stress going on around us, this is a happy place where we come, we talk about makeup, and we remember at the end of the day, it is in fact only makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. Let's have a good old time. So, anyways, guys, let's go ahead and start talking about some Boxycharm news. So, if you're new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm does have different levels of membership. So typically you're going to start off with the base box, which is $25 a month, and you will receive at least $125 worth of product. There's also a monthly membership that is $35 a month, and you will receive at least $175 worth of product. Now, then we have the BoxyLuxe. Now, the BoxyLuxe is not monthly, it is quarterly, and I believe the next BoxyLuxe will be in September, and we're already seeing sneak peeks for that, so we will be talking about that today before we jump into the pop-up. Now, the pop-up is not something that they do every single month, and it's really exciting when they do these pop-ups because we do see add-ons every so often. Well, every month. We do have the options for add-ons. But when it comes to BoxyPopUp, we get a huge array of products, like all kinds of things. Lifestyle, makeup, beauty, skincare, whatever it is, you're gonna see it in the BoxyPopUp, and you will receive at least like up to 80% off of these items. So I wanted to talk about some of the items that we're going to see in our BoxyPopUp. And like I always tell you guys, this is always, when it comes to add-ons and pop-up, this is a great way to grow your collection, or grow, you know, if you have a son or a daughter that is coming into makeup and getting really excited about makeup, this is a great way to be able to, you know, help build their collection as well as pick up gifts, because a lot of you guys told me for add-ons you guys were able to snag the PMD cleanser thing for like under $20, which is insane. It's a $99 skincare tool. So anyways, guys, that's what the joy of BoxyPopUp and add-on is all about. So if you are a base box member only, you will have access to the pop-up on August 11th. Now, but if you have premium or luxe membership, then you have early access on August 10th. And I'm not for sure how many days they actually keep the pop-up open for, but it's a decent amount of days. Just like with the add-ons, they keep the add-ons open for a decent amount. Okay, so some of the things that we're going to see in the BoxyPopUp. We're going to see the Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. Now, this one is not something that I've tried before, so if you guys have, let us know down below with all of the things that we're going to be talking about today. This has a retail value of $38, and we're going to see it available at BoxyPopUp for $18. Now, I'll warn y'all, when BoxyPopUp does go live, get in there, but I will warn you guys, like the last BoxyPopUp we saw, which, oh my gosh, my days are running together, so I don't really recall when it was, but I know they had a lot of issues for some reason with the credit cards, like they weren't going through properly or something like that. So anyways, if you can get in there, definitely get in there. The next item we're going to see is the Kopari Sundays Mineral Face Sunscreen. Regularly it's $34. It's going to be on sale for $12. Some other items we're going to see is the Farsali Skin Tune Blur Drops. These are $54 drops, and they're going to be on sale for $12. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'm very interested in picking these up because I thought that these had really good reviews. Let me know down below, but I'm like 99% sure that they had really, really good reviews. We're going to see the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It just says light, for $12. We're also going to see the Becca Cosmetics Ocean Jewel Eye Palette. I don't even remember when this one released, to be honest with you guys. Some other things that we're going to be seeing, and this I'm totally excited about. This is the Sol de Janeiro Glow Motions Glow Oil for $12. Let me know if you guys have tried these. I love glow oils. I have the Patrick Ta one. I've got I kind of consider my Gerard Cosmetics BB Plus those because I mix them in my lotion. I have the Briogeo. Like, I love glitters. Like, love, love, love. We're going to see some Alex and Annie Starfish Charm Bangle bracelets, $28 down to $9, as well as the Proactive Deep Cleanse brush from $40 down to $12. We will also see some Luxe brushes, and depending on the set, I'm not 100% sure, but I always talk about my Luxe brush. This came from Boxycharm in a set. This is the 504 large angle brush. I absolutely love this brush when using like my cream blushers or my bronzers. This is such a good brush. So you can get this $80 set from Luxe for $24. So really excited about that. And some other items we're going to be seeing, or other brands I should say: Juice Beauty, Kaja Beauty, Sunny Light Scented Candle Diffuser. Now, I personally love having diffusers in our closet, just because it doesn't, you know, it makes the closet smell nice. Your clothes, I don't know if it really makes our clothes smell nice, but this diffuser is regularly $30. It's only going to be 20% off, so it's $24. So the one that I typically get is from like Bridgewater Candle Company or something, and I normally can find a coupon and I get it for like under 20 bucks. So we're also going to see the Becca Cosmetics Pearl Glow Lip Tint. This is going to be $9. Kind of interested in this just because I just think like lip tints are just so pretty. I mean, you guys know I love neutral nude type of lipsticks. Today I have my Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nude with my Bougie Gloss in the shade Nude, and of course my lip liner in the shade Nude, and I just love that look. We will be seeing a lot of Fenty Beauty. I don't know if you guys have seen the sneak peeks, but the Fenty Beauty eye primer, we've got the Pro Mini Instant Retouch Primer. We've got some Smashbox Cream Matte Lipstick, as well as the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. So really excited for all of the Fenty Beauty coming back. I mean, Joe had done a video talking about we would be seeing more of Fenty Beauty in our boxes, or, well, he didn't specifically say boxes, but we were definitely going to see more of the Fenty Beauty with Boxycharm. So I'm really excited about that because, as we know, there was a Fenty Beauty takeover with the premium boxes. Again, I can't get my dates right. March? Was it in March? And we had like $100 and some odd worth of Fenty Beauty products. And now we're going to see like their primers and everything. So I was extremely excited about that. I do want to go ahead and pop in a video that I did get today from Boxycharm. And again, they're showing things like the Morphe brushes. You're also going to see an eyeshadow palette by Violet Voss. And I'm pretty intrigued on what the price is going to be on this, but we're also going to see Marc Jacobs and BoxyPopUp. So I'm going to go ahead and put that clip in right now for you guys so you guys can see the Instagram story that they posted. Definitely let me know down below, guys, what are your thoughts on the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. Again, this is one of those palettes that it was really expensive, and I was like, am I gonna use it that often to really justify the purchase? But as we know, when it comes to Boxy Pop-Ups, everything is definitely much more affordable. And I've had some of you guys ask, what's the difference between Boxy Pop-Up and Boxy Add-on? And like I said, add-ons are something we're gonna see we do see every single month, and you get about 70% or up to 70% off of your goodies at the add-on. But when it comes to Boxy Pop-Up, we see a lot more of a selection and a lot more things that are available for us for up to 80% off. So if you guys are interested in signing up, there is still time, so you can be part of the Boxy Pop-Up, whether that be on August 10th when it's early access, or August 11th. I will have a link down below for you guys. If I can find any coupon codes, like right now I believe there is a $6 credit towards your Boxy Pop-Up. I'll leave that code down below for you guys if you are interested in signing up and getting a $6 credit towards your Boxy Pop-Up purchase. I will let you guys know that link is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do decide to use my link to sign up for Boxycharm. Like I said, there are different memberships. You could sign up for the base, the premium, or you could choose to sign up for the Luxe box, which like I said is coming in September. Now just a quick sneak peek about the things that are coming in September that I wanted to tell you guys about. There's 3 items that we've already gotten a sneak peek on, and those 3 items, it looks to be the Cheer Up, which is by Pharmacy. This is a brightening vitamin C eye cream. Again, I've never tried this, but I'm definitely interested in it. We're going to see the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, which is absolutely like rave reviews all the time. Everybody loves it. I feel like this has become a fast cult favorite. And then we're going to see Biro Tomato Serum back in our boxes. Now, it's not going to be all 3 of these items. It does sound or seem to be like a variation, but those are some of the brands that we're going to be seeing in our BoxyLuxe for September. So let me know down below what you guys are excited about. I'll be coming back and doing some more sneak peeks for you guys, giving you guys more information about the items that are going to be available in BoxyLuxe for September. As always, when it comes to BoxyLuxe, you do get to customize 2 items in that box and then 1 item in the base and the premium box. Like I said, I will have link and coupons down below for you guys if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm. And that's all the news I have for you guys today on our Boxycharm update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I upload pretty much 6 days a week over here. Sunday evenings at 9 p.m. I do Get Ready With Me's, testing out new and playing with old makeup, as well as Monday through Friday I do 12:15 Eastern time, all kinds of random unboxings, reviews, try-ons, whatever it may be, and of course Boxycharm updates. Anyways friends, that's all for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!